Hi everyone, this is appchasers.com. You probably already use your iPhone and your iPad to record some of your field service activity using great apps like MyTime. But what happens when you forget to mark down exactly when you started and stopped your time? We know that that's not good practice, but it does happen to some of us, including myself, when I finish up in the field ministry and I forget to mark when exactly that time was that I finished. Well, there's a great app called Moves that'll help you to do just that. You can see I've got it up here on the iTunes App Store, and Moves is more than just a fitness tracker, but it's actually an activity tracker that while you run it in the background on your iPhone, it records everywhere you go as well as what time you were at that specific place. So it's a great way to look back in your history and see when you started and stopped your time. So let's open the Moves app right here and I'll show you what I mean. Right now I've got Sunday up here. This is the past Sunday, and I've got a nice summary at the top of the screen showing me that I rode my bike that day and also walked. But I do have some transportation from my house. So we've got, notice here at 10:20 I left my house, and I was actually in the territory at 10:42. So this goes right through my day, showing me the different stops that I made as well as how long I was at each particular location. It shows me when I left the territory here. It says a place in Troy, and then made it back home. So you'll notice that any one of these locations, right now it's just guessing where these are, but you can tap on any one of them and it'll give you a more detailed view of a map where you can name the place and it'll remember that place in future trips. So you can name a place right there. Let's call that Kingdom Hall. Alright, so we'll save that there. So that's the Kingdom Hall. Now when we go back to our activity, it'll say that we were actually at the Kingdom Hall at that point. Now, we can also go back in our history if we scroll all the way up in Moves and continue to scroll. This will show us our activity through the different weeks and what we did. So we can select any day, such as Friday. We can go in there. We can see where we went and when we were at each particular place. So if you ever forget to record your field service start and stop times, Moves is a nice way to be able to go back and see exactly when you started your time, and that way make an accurate report. This has been appchasers.com.